How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, we're going to go over the custom build winner from this week's contest, and if you haven't entered yet, make sure to build a custom product on our website and screenshot it and send it to us via Facebook or Instagram Messenger, and you're automatically entered to win a $50 gift card, and we'll be doing these giveaways weekly. So here was Brandon B's setup that we got from Instagram. So I have the light bar here, so I'll go ahead and show it to you. So he had a custom amber blue light bar here. So you'll see on the customization that you have two blue modules at the front here, and then we have our multicolor takedown and alleys. So you'll see my takedowns are flashing amber, and then when I activate my takedown here, you'll see they'll go clear, and then you'll see my alley lights are flashing blue here. And again, those are the multicolor upgrade, so when you activate your alleys, those will go to steady burn clear. And those do operate independently whether the light bar is flashing or not. So let me set this down here. So you'll see I have my takedown and my alleys that I can independently activate of the light bar. And then for my four corner cruise lights, these are all amber here. So if I activate my cruise function, you'll see my cruise will go to steady burn amber for the four corner modules. So you'll see that's the main function and look for the front here. It's basically all amber with an addition of the two blue modules here and then the multicolor blue alley lights here as well. And then so you'll see that on the customs for the front of the light bar here. So now let's go ahead and turn this light bar around and I'll show you the back of the light bar. So I went ahead and turned my light bar around here. So again, this is the rear of the light bar, and you'll see the main cluster of modules here is blue, and then you have a couple ambers on the side here. And again, this was a customization. And this is a multicolor traffic advisor, so you'll see when you're in flashing mode, these modules are flashing in blue, and then when I activate my traffic advisor, these modules will go to traffic advising in amber, and that works for your center out, your left right, and your right left as well. And so you'll see when you're out of your traffic advising mode and you're back into your warning mode, those modules will go back to flashing in blue. And again, this is a customization setup used with our customization tool, which is a great tool to use if you need a custom light bar setup. And also make sure to send us your customizations to be entered for the giveaway as well. If you have any questions about our customization tool or how it works, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.